Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to my channel. My name is Steph, and today I'm coming to you guys with a review on some glasses that I've been receiving from Zenni Optical. Hopefully I'm saying it right. But yes, I just want to do a quick review. I do have about 4 pair of their frames, and I just want to come to you guys and show you how I like it, if I like it, you know, just some key things about it that you may just want to know before you order. Zenni Optical. So before we get into this review on the Zenni Optical prescription glasses, definitely guys, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get into this video. All right guys, so first off guys, whenever I do receive my package from them, I do receive it in this little Zenni Optical blue styrofoam packaging. It comes very, very fast. Now, as far as whenever they finish making the glasses, I'm about maybe 3 or 4 days for me to get it, and I live in Illinois, so it takes about 3 to 4 days to get it, and I say it's very, very fast. And guys, my prescription is very, very complicated. I have really bad astigmatism, and I think Zenni Optical handled it perfect. But Zenni Optical is way less expensive. Now, of course, I did take my free pair from my insurance, or not from my insurance, but the free pair that my insurance did pay for. But we were not gonna be buying anymore, so I did go in. The great thing I like about Zenni Optical, you do get to choose, you know, if you want color on your lenses, and I'm really loving color right now, guys, on my lenses. Especially when I'm looking at I work on a computer and I look at that a lot. And whenever I choose pink or blue or something like that, something that kind of, I'm not even say blue. Whenever I choose pink or green, it kind of helps with the light that's coming in from the screens that I'm looking at. So I really do like that. They also do have like chrome. You can do your lenses in chrome. You get to choose what kind of lens you want. They even go down to the lenses tint. You can choose from 10, 50, or an 80 tint, even a mirror tint. They do come in colors like gray, green, amber, blue, purple, pink, and yellow. Also guys, they have polarized glasses. Also guys, you do get to choose if you want anti-reflective coating. Me personally, I have 2 pairs of glasses with the anti-reflective coating on it, and me personally, it's kind of harder to clean my glasses with that on there. So the last 2 glasses I got, I didn't get that on there. I just kind of figured, like, if you're recording or something like that and you do have glasses on, you don't want it reflecting, so that's good. But just cleaning it wise, it's kind of hard. So yeah, just putting that out there. But you don't have to get anti-reflective coating, and you also get to choose if you want like your name on there or whatever you want. You can choose about 15 characters max for $1.95 on the temple arm. You can also do something on the outside temple for $3.95. Yeah, so, and I think the shipping was about, I think it was like $4.95 or something like that. It comes with the little cleaner thingy, comes in this little bag here, Zenni Optical little bag, and then you also get this little card here. Thanks for choosing Zenni. It says, congratulations, you've upped your frame game. And to share a pic, just got my Zenni. So yeah, if you do get them, definitely guys do that. So if you know, if they choose you to be either on their site or on their Instagram or wherever social media, they'll be able to, you know, pick yours because you hashtagged it. So my first pair is going to be this pink pair that I received. But of course, Windex gonna get you clean and gonna get you right. And as you can see guys, this is what I was talking about, that little arm there. It has my name there. So I did like that for $1.95. Wasn't bad. I thought that was so cute. I'm gonna put them on. And this is the one with 10% pink. Just a light pink. And I really love them. I think these were for like girls, but they were $6.95, I think. And the reason why mine kind of got a little more pricey is because my astigmatism is bad, so they had to like charge me like $9 extra for that, but that's fine. Still cheaper than going through anybody else. So yes, this is this one, $6.95. I'll try to have the order number as well as I'm talking about it. Not order number, but the number. Yeah, okay, the frames number, that's what it's called. So I have that there. These are cat eye glasses in pink with a 10% pink tint to them. And this does have anti-reflective coating. So yeah, this is these, this is these, hey. This is these, this is these, hey. So this is those. This is green with a 10% green tint. I think the tint was $4.95 additional. So just like the other cat eye glasses, just in green, also $6.95. So if you don't have bad astigmatism like me, then you won't have to be charged extra to get your prescription in there. But yeah, I like them, I really do. Get compliments on these all the time. And with Zenni Optical, you can really make glasses your own. You know, you can add what you want, take away what you want. So they even got a pair of glasses on there, y'all, that is like a circle. I'll try to include the picture, but they have a circle and then like a square lens. Kind of crazy, but people been ordering. I've been seeing people buy them. So yeah, these were these, my green pair. They're more like almost a clear. All right, my next pair is some shades. Now guys, also a good thing I like about Zenni Optical, you can make glasses into shades by just adding tint, chrome. You can even add though, you know, certain stuff, like it may get high, which I probably would never do, but you can add whatever you really kind of want. I'm also playing these. Alright guys, so these are these. Also has my name in it. My other ones have like Oobop, I think. And like I said guys, the good thing about Zenni Optical, you can definitely make stuff your own. These could have been just glasses, but I needed some shades because I've been rocking these same pair of shades that I still get compliments on to this day. But I've still been rocking these shades that I've had for like 4 years. So, and the reason why is because they have my prescription in them. So it just seems like it's a little more expensive to get your prescriptions and sunshades or sunglasses around town and stuff like that. So when I discovered Zenni Optical, you know, just to be able to put tint in some cute frames and just keep going, I love it. I love it. So this is how they look on me. How do you guys look? Tell me your favorite pair too in the comment section, guys. So yes, this is those. I think these were very like retro-ish looking. I don't have any glasses that were like circle rims, so I thought these were so cute. Even cuter with the blue tint. So yes. Like this one does not have anti-reflective coating, but this one does not get as dirty as the other ones. So I think these look so weird but so cute. Ta-da! Hopefully I cleaned them off okay. Still see a little sheen on them. Alright, so that's that. See, they have the little ridges there. I did not get anything on my temple this time of the arms. This one is a 50% pink tint. And these glasses are like a green color, like a squiggly lines in the on the rim. I really love these. Love, love, love these. Yeah, these were 15. They're like 10% off for your first pair. And that was about it. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Again, guys, tell me which one is your favorite pair. Let me know if you've gotten any before, how you like Zenni Optical, and if I have or get any more pairs of glasses or shades from Zenni Optical, I'll be sure to come back and show you guys. And I think that was about it. So hopefully you have liked this video and you subscribe and share this video, and hopefully, I see you again next time. Okay, bye.